What's up, crypto fam? 3 weeks ago, I had 78 burning a hole in my wallet and 0 experience with meme coins. Today, I'm sitting on over 1-0 from that same trade. But here's the thing. This isn't some get-rich-quick fairy tale. I made mistakes, almost panic-sold twice, and learned lessons that cost me sleep. Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact strategy, the tools I used, and the 3 crucial mistakes that almost killed my gains. August 2025. I'm scrolling through crypto Twitter during my lunch break. Again, everyone's posting these insane gains from coins I've never heard of. Pep holders buying Lambos, SHIB millionaires, people turning lunch money into down payments. Meanwhile, I'm eating a 3 sandwich, wondering if I'm missing out on the biggest wealth transfer in history. But here's where most people mess up. They see the wins, but ignore the process. I spent 2 weeks just watching, learning, trying to understand why some meme coins moon, while others disappear overnight. That research? It saved my trade. 2 a.m. on a Tuesday. I'm 3 energy drinks deep, scrolling through DexScreener, when I spot something interesting. New token on Solana. Let's call it Moonpup for this story. Market cap, 40K. Liquidity, locked. Contract, renounced. But here's what caught my attention. The Telegram had 3 members, and they were actually discussing the project, not just spamming rockets. The team was answering questions, sharing roadmaps, building community. I ran it through my checklist. Locked liquidity, no rug pull risk, renounced contract. Devs can't mess with it. Active, engaged community. Recent launch with room to grow, trending on social media. Red flags I avoided. Teams promising guaranteed returns. Tokens with 90% held by top wallets. Communities full of bots and spam. No real utility or roadmap. Decision time. I had 78 in USDC. Money I could afford to lose completely. And that's rule number 1. Never invest your rent money in meme coins. This is speculative gambling, not investing. I'm setting my slippage to 12% because meme coins are volatile. Transaction goes through. I now own 780 Moonpup tokens at 0.0001 each. Total cost, 78 plus 1.2 in fees. Then came the longest 10 minutes of my life. Price immediately dropped 15%. My hands are sweating. The little voice in my head screaming, "You're an idiot," gets louder every second. But I remembered something from my research. Meme coins often dip right after purchase due to MEV bots and arbitrage. The question isn't whether it dips. It's whether the community holds strong. Day 1. Down 20%. I'm questioning everything. Checking the chart every 5 minutes, like a psychopath. Day 2. Slow climb back. Community still strong. Memes are flowing. New holders joining. I'm learning that meme coin trading is 70% psychology, 30% timing. Day 3. The moment. A crypto influencer with 400K followers tweets about Moonpup. Not a paid promotion, just genuine interest. Within 2 hours, volume explodes from 15K to 800K. My 78, now worth 340, 4x gains in 3 days. But here's where most people mess up. They sell everything and celebrate. I had a different plan. I sold 25% of my position, taking back my initial 78 plus some profit. This way, I'm playing with house money. Day 5. Another influencer. Then a viral TikTok. The community starts trending Moonpup Army. Price hits 0.0013. My remaining tokens are worth 780. Day 6. This is where it gets crazy. Some whale drops 50K into the token. Price rockets to 0.0018. My position is now worth over 1-0. But here's the thing about meme coins. They can crash just as fast as they pump. I had an exit strategy. 25%, sold at 4x. Already done. 50% sold at 10x. 25% moonbag. Let it ride. When we hit 10x, I stuck to the plan. Sold half my remaining position for 600. My total profit? 850 from a 78 investment. The rest I'm holding because this community still has momentum. Let's be real for a second. This was one successful trade out of many attempts. I've also lost money on rug pulls, bought tops, and sold bottoms. My overall success rate? Maybe 30%. But when meme coins hit, they hit. Since this trade, I've lost 45 on a token that got rugged, made 200 on another community-driven project, broke even on 3 others. The key isn't winning every trade. It's managing risk so your winners outweigh your losers. If you want to try meme coin trading, here's your starter pack. DexScreener for charts and volume. Telegram for community research. Twitter for sentiment tracking. Phantom Wallet for Solana trades. That's my story. 78 to over 10 in 6 days. Not luck, not insider knowledge, just research and risk management in a bull market. If this helped you understand meme coin trading better, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. What's your biggest trading lesson? I will read every single one. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just one person's experience. Do your own research. Never invest more than you can lose, and stay safe out there. See you in the next one.